Welcome. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Our apartment is absolutely amazing. This is the corridors. But it's like an oven in here, in the corridors, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Anyway, I'll take you outside. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. The first thing we've learned since we've been here is that going this way, you go through 3 sets of walking lights, but this way you only go for 1. So here we go. Wait for the thing. But like I said, I'm so glad we're at the back of the actual back of the hotel. This is the hotel here. But yes, we'll definitely be not noisier, but it's vibrant. I love it. I just don't know if these scooters work. They're littered all over the place. Seems like a good idea. That's an interesting building up there though. That's one of our little walks. Yeah. So yes, there's greenery, ladies and gentlemen. There's greenery around us as well. But I'll tell you where we're going. So today we're doing the actual theme park day. We're going. Oh. Ah! I've got the tickets. I've got to go back and get the tickets. Luckily, Tina's remembered now. Oh, pissing now. It's not going good so far. Keep on forgetting everything. Try again. Oh, bloody hell. I'll tell you, technology is a killer. You could say, well, if you had it on the phone doesn't work. We brought the phone with us just to show you when we need to not use it. If that makes sense, doesn't make sense. But I know what will happen. I know exactly what's going to happen. We're going to get there, and even if you would try to use the phone, it wouldn't bloody work. Right, anyway, let's start again. I don't know if I told you where we're going yet. I don't think we have. Hey look, we're back here again. So yes, so where are we going? Because I don't think I said. Did I say? I don't think I got around to saying it. So we're going to Phantasialand. I think that's how you say it.
Yeah.
Phantasialand. Oh, anyway, it's one of the best theme parks in the world. Very, very excited about it. We're going there today. We are now over an hour late. What is frustrating, but there we go. Got the whole day. The weather looking good, and we're going to have to buy a ticket because we couldn't get the ticket we wanted yesterday. I could stop moaning about these things. So anyway, I'll get you some shots from the train on the way to the actual theme park. I think we're moving. What do you think?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh yes, we are. You can have that down. No? They were moving. Oh, a bit of both maybe, yeah. Ooh, Tram action. Look at this. Tram action city. Fantastic. Oh. The ghetto. The great thing is I can do that. It's nice tree-lined avenues, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, look at that architecture on that building there. That's moving.
Nächster Halt. Südbrücke. Ausstieg links.
we're at the train stop. But we're now going to try to find the bus to the actual theme park. But I was hoping it was going to be well signposted, but we've gone into a 1970s science fiction film now. Slogan's Run. Ah, the Phantasialand shuttle bus. But it's so this is it. We've got this shuttle bus, but it's now our own. So does that mean it's been rubbed out? Oh no! But it's look. Now we're stuck again because it's another barcode you need to use. Because just can't. We can't. Right. See what you're looking for, ladies and gentlemen. So you get off the station there, go under the underground, do Logan's Run, then up to here. We just didn't wasn't enough room for the first bus, so we just went for the next. Right, we're on the bus. Can't see much out because it's the printed bus. So yeah, so half an hour wait, but we just missed. We were 4 people away from getting onto the first bus, which was annoying. So now we're going to the theme park.